Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Emma was very excited about her first day as an intern. She woke up early and chose her best clothes. Her mother made her a big breakfast. "Good luck today," said her mother with a smile. Emma took the bus to the company. The office building was tall and modern. She felt a little nervous when she walked through the door. A friendly woman at the reception desk greeted her. "You must be Emma, the new intern," she said. Emma nodded and smiled. The receptionist took her to meet her supervisor, Mr. Chen. Mr. Chen was a tall man with glasses. "Welcome to the team, Emma," he said warmly. He showed her around the office. There were many desks with computers. People were working and talking on the phone. "This will be your desk," said Mr. Chen. Emma sat down at her new desk. There was a computer, a notebook, and some pens. A young woman at the next desk turned to her. "Hi, I am Sarah. I started here last year," she said. "Nice to meet you, Sarah," said Emma. "If you need any help, just ask me," Sarah offered. Mr. Chen gave Emma her first task. She needed to organize some files on the computer. Emma worked carefully and asked questions when she was not sure. At noon, Sarah invited her to have lunch together. They went to the company cafeteria. The food was good and not expensive. Sarah told her about the office and the different teams. After lunch, Emma had a meeting with Mr. Chen. He explained the company and what they do. Emma learned that they make software for hospitals. This is important work, she thought. In the afternoon, she finished organizing the files. Mr. Chen checked her work and was pleased. "You did a good job today, Emma," he said. Emma felt very happy to hear that. At 5 o'clock, the workday ended. Sarah waved goodbye to Emma. "See you tomorrow," said Sarah. Emma took the bus home. Her mother was waiting for her at the door. "How was your first day?" her mother asked. "It was great," Emma answered with a big smile. She told her mother about Sarah, Mr. Chen, and her first task. "I'm so proud of you," said her mother. That night, Emma could not sleep because she was too excited. She thought about all the new things she would learn. The next morning, Emma woke up early again. She was ready for her second day at work. Emma knew that this internship was the beginning of something special.
Learn with LingoStories.app.